Alright guys.
This rap sucks.
What up, SSHB out
This
here.
rap is trash.
Alright, so... Alright guys, what's up? So, as you can see, I got my car wrapped. There's a whole story to it. The wrap is not the best. Kind of disappointed, especially when you pay for something like that. But I'm going to take you through the whole story. I'm going to just show you videos. And so, basically, let's just start off from the beginning. I go to get my car wrapped, okay? They say it'll take maybe 1 to 2 weeks. So, it takes over 2 weeks. It takes 2 weeks. It took 2 weeks and a day. We're going to get my car wrapped. Oh no, we're going to go pick up my car from the wrap right now. So we're on our way there. We'll be there soon and you guys will get to see my wrap.
Holy shit! Your car's a GTR now!
Oh!
Oh my gosh!
They really did a rehaul on that thing.
Oh my god, your car is so sick!
Alright boys, we literally came straight from school. Now we're here. Let's get it.
How you doing?
Yeah, what's up?
Not allowed to see it yet.
Okay.
They need like 10 minutes.
Okay. No problem. My car's been idling for like 20 minutes. I don't know what they're
Like
doing.
20 minutes.
Down.
I gotta film it. Oh, I see it up there. Ooh. Damn. What the hell, dude? That's a whole chain. Dang. Oh my god. So I go to pick it up. I'm like, oh dang, like it looks sick, but like the wing's not wrapped and the roof's not wrapped, the side vents aren't wrapped either. And so there was this whole ordeal that's... So first off, I'm the customer and I should get what I want, okay? You know? And I'm paying them. But when I got there and I was picking out colors, he was like, oh, like you should leave the roof white and the side vents white to go with like the white wheels. It'll offset the color really well. And I was like, no, I don't think so. Like, I kind of want the whole car wrapped, whole car one color. And then my friend was like, oh yeah, listen to him. Like, he knows what he knows. He's wrapped cars. He knows what he's talking about. I was like, nah, dude, like, I want the thing wrapped. He's like, all right, well, like, how about this? I don't wrap them, and then I'll send you a picture of how it looks, and then you can let me know if you want it wrapped or not. So I was like, okay, like, I guess I can do that because I'll get it wrapped if I want it. So 2 weeks comes around, and I go, hey, like, is the car done yet? And, like, did you wrap the roof and the side spoilers and stuff? And he's like, no, we went over this. Like, I'll show you a text. So I was just like, I played it off because it's kind of mean, and I was kind of like up for it, and I was like, whoa. I was like, all right, fine, like whatever, like it's all right, like I was just thinking, maybe I'll do it later. So I get the car, bring it back home. 2 days, the bumper's peeling, getting a ton of peeling everywhere. I'll show you a video. This isn't the final look. Everything that's chrome or white will be black soon. And yeah, I'm stoked on it, but definitely wasn't exactly what I wanted. Alright guys.
This rap sucks.
What up, SSHB out
This
here.
rap is trash.
Alright, so one sec.
What up,
So
guys?
we're looking at my wrap, and there's more
Nice
than
little patch there.
They
one thing
Sharpied.
wrong.
They Sharpied his paint. On the paint, they Sharpied. That's ridiculous.
Look, there's a rock.
I don't even know if they fully cleaned my car. Like, look at this. There's wrap coming off right there.
At least the headlights look really good.
Yeah,
And-
the headlights look good out of everything.
No, they
Look at
look
this.
Really good. Like he's got a plus.
Dude, these guys, they took 2 weeks to do this.
Yeah, that's what you get for rushing, man. Dude, the car was halfway done, and Kern's like, "I'm on my way," and they're like, "Oh, we said like 4 weeks."
Karen, show off these nice bubbles again.
Oh yeah, so the car hasn't even seen daylight yet.
These are pretty good. Pretty good looking.
Smells like shit.
No, it's the. I opened the refrigerator.
Yeah, it is.
Sure you.
And then wait for this. This is the best part.
Just like
Wow.
that's gonna peel up really nice. Like these
Look
little,
how beautiful that is. Oh.
these little creases right here are gonna
Yeah.
be nice when they start peeling.
Really about this right here, Karen. I like that.
Yeah, that's a good
I know, I showed them that. Kind of sucks. And then there was a whole ordeal how they didn't want to wrap the roof of the wing.
Now you're gonna look like Travis, where it's like he's not done with his rap yet. But it's like you're done. You paid for a whole rap, but it's
So
not
whose
done
job is
yet.
better, Travis or Sergio?
He ain't stupid.
Who's
Cause he had a bad day.
whose job is better?
Oh, they didn't wrap down here.
Yeah.
Good thing you're low.
Copyright strike.
Whose job is better, Sergio or Platinum?
I honestly
I
didn't
haven't
think
seen Travis's.
I didn't think it could get worse than Sergio's raps. But
I've been go to an actual rap shop.
I've been proven wrong because he went to an actual rap shop and then they still didn't rap the whole thing.
And they said these couldn't be wrapped. They said like these were unwrappable.
We're a rap company. We're a rap company.
So those aren't done. They didn't take off the bumper, the front bumper or the rear bumper to wrap it. They wrapped the front bumper in like 10 pieces, the rear bumpers in like 5 different pieces. Usually people do that 1 or 2. Basically just lazy, poor work. I mean, the guy said he didn't wrap it, but he was there. He did some. He said he did like the driver's side or whatever. But they didn't wrap the back of the hood either. Like, I'll show you everything. So pretty disappointed, honestly. Like, I love the color. It was sick, but yeah. So basically, I tried to wrap the spoiler myself. It absolutely sucks. Like, I will not lie, it sucks. Like, I'm not even kidding. It's so bad. But that was the first thing I've like ever wrapped. Besides, we tried wrapping the roof, and didn't do good on that either. Never really wrapped anything before. I just started learning, but on my own car. I didn't even watch any YouTube videos. I just started doing it, but. Alright, so I picked the car up 2 days ago. And here's what it's doing now. So it's coming up right here. And I parked the car inside, and for work I parked the car inside. So it's coming up right there. Back there. Right there. Sorry. Right there, it's coming up. There's a really bad spot right here. All lifting up. Remember, this thing hasn't been outside yet. The only time it's outside is when it's driving, and it stays cool driving, but I've not parked it in the sun yet. So, disclaimer, I tried wrapping the roof myself with some friends and we did horrible, so I'm not going to blame that on them. This is all my doing. Basically, I took the car back. I was like, hey, all this stuff's peeling up, blah, 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 because I bought a $400 warranty. So I was like, hey, will you take the car back? If not, like, I want my money back for the warranty. I was like, all right, we'll take it back. So they take it back. They fix some stuff, but not all of it. I told them, well, now that it's back, like, I want the roof and the wing wrapped. And then I was going to plus dip the side vents. And then, because he said, by the way, the side vents weren't wrapped because he said they were unwrappable. Like, it's not possible to wrap those. He told me he's going to have to paint them if he wants it, if I want it a color, if I want it black or green or whatever. So, to me, I was like, wait, what? Like, you wrapped Lamborghinis, you wrapped GTRs, but you can't wrap, like, side vents on a Celine. Alright, I'm in my garage. Never wrapped anything before, but, I'm wrapping this, and it's doable. It's definitely hard. It's super hard. I'm going to have to do it in, like, 1,000 pieces. Not one piece, but, like, they said this was unwrappable. Well, look at this. It's wrapping right now. Like, I don't know what you guys are talking about. I did the wing myself. I'll show you guys that in a bit. It freaking sucks. Well, I I got the top part done. You might think that this white line is me, but it's not. It's on the body of the car. See it right there. Alright, I have now laid the second piece on. It wasn't long enough, but whatever. I think I forgot to show you guys. I don't know if I did or not, but I finished. So it's in a million pieces down here. I'm just showing you how bad it is. They would have to paint it. That was one of the reasons that they didn't want to wrap that. I wrapped the wing. I'm not done with it. This is so bad. Like, it is so bad. I stretched it. This is in a couple pieces. The wing is really bad, honestly. I've never wrapped anything before in my life, so this is my first time. So give me a break. So I'm wrapping all of the hardest things that a wrap shop didn't want to do. So I could easily wrap this. These body lines are so easy. This is so easy. I could wrap that perfect. But this, they didn't want to wrap this because it's too intricate. This is in my opinion. They said this was unwrappable, even though I just wrapped it. Yeah, so, oh man, car is looking nappy. They did wrap my roof for me, which I was stoked about. So I just gotta finish that, and then I have to finish that. Then I have to finish this, and then I have to paint the wheels black, and I'm done. It's kind of sad, but like, I've never wrapped anything. It just started today. Besides the other day I tried to wrap my roof, which absolutely sucked. He saw that, so when I brought it back. But that's why part of it was white. I didn't want it white. He thought it would look good, and it didn't. Don't recommend the shop. I would just pay the extra money and go to premium, not platinum. Don't get them mixed up. Yeah. So I'm doing it myself though, so it looks good in what's it called? Pictures. Not in person, but pictures is cool. So whatever. It's fun learning. One thing you guys are kind of gonna have questions about is why'd you wrap the wing with the wing on the trunk? You know, why didn't you take it off? It's because they took off the wing to wrap the trunk, and I was like thinking like, hey, like why don't you wrap the wing since the wing's off? But like they didn't. But basically they wrapped the whole trunk and then they put the wing on top of that, and they stuck like sticky stuff on the bottom of the wing that I can see. So if I try to take the wing off, it'll just peel up the trunk, and then I'll have to wrap the whole trunk, and I don't want to do that because I'm not a wrapper like with car wraps, so not looking to do that. So I had to wrap the wing with the wing on the car. That's why I did that. So basically I'm wrapping all the hardest things on the car, which are the vents and the wing, and yeah. So bummed. Don't go to them. I'm sorry. I do appreciate them working on the car and putting some time into it, but they obviously didn't treat my car like others, and I have no idea why. I don't know if they don't like Mustangs or something, but like they didn't take the time, the effort, they didn't look into any details. They just tried to get my car in and out, and it actually took them longer than 2 weeks. So yeah, tells you a lot about them. So alright, thanks for watching, guys. Sorry, I'm kind of bummed, but like, you know, it is what it is. Can't be super happy right now, but stoked the car's wrapped though. Once the wrap comes off, I'm probably gonna get it repainted. So just do whole new paint. Probably just go white, keep the clean white look. So yeah, we'll be clean again. Alright guys, see you later.